You need to clean a mini split wall mount air handler, but you don't have a washing cover. Today I'm showing you Turbo's air conditioner washing cover. This is a washing cover that I use to be able to clean a mini split wall mount air handler, and this cover allows me to clean the mini split without spilling water or chemicals on the floor of my homeowner's home and on the wall. Today I'm going to show you how to use this. We're going to talk about the two different sizes, and I'm going to give you a discount so you can save some money. You're watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad. This is HVAC tips for technicians / homeowners. Let's get started. This is the box that the washing cover comes inside. Let's take a look at what's contained. Looks like we've got a little quick guide here, so you definitely want to read the manual. Shows you what to do. We've got our waterproof back sheets. Looks like there's 4. We've got our waterproof front sheet. There's 1. We've got our cover, which is made of some PVC. And then we've got our drain hose. You want to have a bucket. That way you can connect the drain from this washing cover and run it into your bucket. Take a look. Looks like we've got some brushes. This could be used for maybe the front of the unit, maybe the wheel. That's good. We've got our hose connection here. Now to install, it's very simple. Shows you back, down, up, front. So this is the front right here. So I'm going to go on one side of the wall mount air handler, and then I'm going to stretch this to the other side, and it fits on there nice and tight. I like the fact that we've got these plates right here. That is nice. Now you can see there's Velcro right here on top. See that Velcro? We're going to take and attach the Velcro on our front sheet to the Velcro on the washing cover. So there, that's attached like that, and you can actually probably want to take and center this. That way it hangs off on both sides. So there we go, like that right there. After you've installed the waterproof front sheet, this is what it should look like. You can lift this up to spray. You've got these 4 holes right here. If you've got a spray nozzle that you can stick in one of these holes, then you can utilize those holes to be able to spray through them. I'm going to fold this back so we can install the waterproof back sheets. And I love the fact that they've got these back sheets, because sometimes you will get water behind the unit. But with these back sheets, should help us to stop that from happening. So we're going to install those. I'm probably just going to install 3 of these for my test. Now that I've installed those, I'll fold this front sheet back down. I did not have a bucket, but you need a bucket. I'm going to connect my drain hose here to my drain hose connection. Ooh, that is pretty tight. Now I've got a fish tank that I'm going to be using for this demonstration. So I'll take my hose, put it in there, like that. Now, let's go get a water hose and turn the water hose on. Let's give it a shot. Notice I am keeping the front piece, that waterproofing sheet, down. And looks like all of our water is going into our tank. That is nice. Not on the customer's wall and not in the customer's floor. This air conditioner cover that I've been using in this video is their larger cover, and it stretches to about 50 to 51 inches. They make 2 covers. One of their covers fits the 9,000 BTU mini split models, and it'll stretch up to the 18,000 BTU mini split models. That is 9,000 to 1.5 tons. Then their larger air conditioner washing cover will fit from the 18,000 BTU mini split, the 1.5 ton, all the way up to the 36,000 BTU or the 3-ton mini splits. Let's go take a look at the website. I'll show you those two choices and then we'll look at the discount code. Now let me show you that discount code in the two different sizes. So we're going to click the 3 bars, top left hand corner. We're going to click cooling. We're going to scroll down to where it says add-ons. Then after we click on add-ons, there's going to be a page of accessories. We are going to scroll to the very bottom and we're going to click the next button. On page 2, you're going to see the AC washing cover. Click that AC washing cover. They also sell mini splits and you can get a discount on those using the same discount code. See the different washing cover sizes. You've got one washing cover size that fits the smaller indoor units and then one that fits the larger indoor units. We're going to click buy now. Now that we're at the checkout, we're going to scroll down. We're going to put our information in, but I'm going to show you where you can apply the discount code. We're going to type in Taddy Digest, hit apply, and then once we hit the apply button, you're going to see that we're going to have a discount and it's going to be 10%. Now if you buy a mini split, that's a couple $100, but for the washing cover, it's only about $3, so $3.50. But hey, saving money, discount's a discount. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you want more videos like this, I've got a video cleaning mini splits right here. Go check it out. I show you the tools I use and the materials and the chemicals. Go check out that video to see me clean several wall mount mini splits. Then I've got another video cleaning cassettes. If you don't know anything about 4-way cassettes and you want to learn how to clean them, check out this video and that'll lead you to a video where I'm cleaning those 4-way ceiling cassettes so you can learn more. Let me know what you learned in today's video. Put it down in the comments. If you don't have a question, that's okay. Let me know who you are. Let me know where you're from. If you're a technician but you want to be a better technician, go check out my playlist, HVAC Tips for Technicians. I've got hundreds of videos of live experience in the field as a technician to help you be a better technician. And if you want my members only content and you want to be a level 3 member, then click that join button, become a level 3 member. You'll have access to all my members only content, which is advanced HVAC training videos, whether it's duct sizing, HVAC equipment sizing, pricing, sales training, helping your business get more customers. There's an array of videos there on airflow and how to use a ductulator, so go check it out. You've been watching Taddy Digest. This is HVAC Tips for Technicians / homeowners. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.